Part 5. Sorry, I remember this. Eat Cafeteria Papa. Cafeteria Papa. Yes. Now we take it up. I got kasi. I got Roblox yan. Kasi ito yung looks like from Roblox. Robloxianas. I'm a Robloxiana, so I love to make Roblox things like this. Still some second. Now you will have Roblox. It's kinda like, yeah, it's kinda like, yeah, just look at me like, bruh, wait. Bruh, what's this case? I gotta put now. Just copy if I keep doing it. That's useful. Anyway, I'm sorry for being a more content creator, but I hope I get a big content creator. I'm just play forever now. Someone else watching me. And this is what now. And now you have the sword. I do have a double because I made this tutorial. So I was going for that. But bye guys, bye.